Good morning, everyone. So I have made a list of activities for you to do today during Grow Time. So you're going to come here and open up this PowerPoint slide. When you open it up here, it gives you a list of things to do, watching this video, homographs and homophones, practice critical vocab with a partner, prefix and Latin roots, and your writing assignment. So on this, I'm going to give you a little quick mini lesson on everything that you need to be covering for homographs. So just to remind you, homographs is a word that has more than one meaning or pronunciation. So can you wind up your sister's new toy? Or the wind blew so hard that her hat disappeared. As you can see, these are the same word, but they have more than one meaning and more than one pronunciation. For homophone, it's a word that is pronounced the same as another word, but has a different meaning or spelling. So my teacher told us to cite our sources. So this is like when you're going on a website, you have to tell your teacher where you found it. This is the holiday display was such a beautiful sight, so it was beautiful to see. And the contractor chose the best site for the building, the best location. So homograph, it is the word that has more than one meaning or pronunciation. And homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word, but has different meanings or spellings. I want you now to take out Elisa's diary and look at the words turn, lights, and pen in the first paragraph. Okay? I want you to first look at dear. So dear is a homograph, and it can be dear Miss Patterson as an adjective, or you're such a dear to describe how sweet someone is. When you look at turn, you can say turn off the lights, which is a verb to turn off, and turn of the head. So turning, they're describing the way the head is turning. For lights, turn off the lights is a noun, okay, because the lights there is the person, place, thing, or idea. And then light something is a verb, to light something. For pen, to write with a pen is a noun, it's a person, place, or thing. And to pen a sketch is a verb because you are penning. So now I want you to look at some critical vocabulary. You and your shoulder partner will practice the critical vocabulary words. Partner A will give clues about critical vocab words, number 1. Then partner B will try to guess the critical vocab word number 1. So say this word was Chick-fil-A. Partner A is going to give partner B clues, like there's waffle fries there. They have a sauce at the restaurant named after them. Their chicken nuggets are very good. And then at that point, partner B should guess Chick-fil-A. Then on word number 2, partner B will give the clue. So say it was McDonald's. Partner B would say they've been around since the 1940s. They are famous for their Happy Meal. They created it. And then partner A should say, oh, that's McDonald's. So you'll do that going through 1 through 7. Okay, this should take only about, I'd say, 5 minutes to do. So you're going to keep switching until you get through all 7. For this, you're going to complete it on your own. Prefix, semi, Latin roots, scrib, and script. Many English words have roots that come from Latin or Greek. A root is a basic word part that carries meaning. Knowing the meaning of Latin and Greek roots can help readers understand the meaning of many different words that contain the same roots. So knowing the meanings of prefixes helps you understand the meanings of longer words and how the prefixes change the root words that they modify. So semi here is a prefix. Semi-darkness means half sweet. Semi-sweet means half sweet. For scrib and script, these are the Latin root words. So scripture is a type of writing, and to transcribe is means you are taking something that someone is speaking and you are writing it down on a piece of paper. So how do these prefixes and root words affect the word? So that's the question you're going to be answering when you fill out this paper. So this is in your packet on 175. You're going to follow the directions. For here, you're going to read these here. The word semicircle contains the prefix semi, which means half, so half circle. The words scriptwriter and scribble contain root words that have Latin origins. The meaning of the roots, script and scrib, is write, so it has something to do with writing. So complete the chart with other words that contain the prefix semi and the roots scrib and script. So you are going to fill these out, 2 examples of your own, and then 4 examples of scrib and script. I'd prefer you to do 2 of scrib and 2 of script, okay? When you come down here, it says choose 1 word from each category and use it in a sentence. So you're going to use 1 sentence using semi and then 1 sentence using scrib or script. So you'll have 2 sentences, 1 with semi, and the second one you'll choose either scrib or script. For these words down here, semi-weekly, manuscript, semicolon, and inscribe, you're going to come down here and write the definitions of them. So then when we move on to the writing workshop, you are going to have the honor of filling out this metaphor and simile post that is right here. So you'll come here and there is writing metaphor and similes. So you're going to walk yourself through these directions. In a nutshell, you are going to pick a place. Where do you feel completely at home? And you are going to pick a quality about the home, whether it's comfortable, relaxing, or cozy. You can also come up with your own, and you're going to create a simile. So for example, I said joyful, and I said my house is like Christmas morning, every day full of love and family. Okay, so that's for the simile portion. Now for the metaphor portion, you are going to copy and paste your simile from slide 2 and make it a metaphor. So see my example below. My house is Christmas morning every day, full of love and family. So I brought this here, I controlled seed, and then I came back over here and control pasted it. And then I took out, if you can see, what's the difference? Okay, I took out the like, right? When I take out the like and just include the is, guess what happens? It becomes a metaphor. So my house is Christmas morning every day, full of love and family. So for your 4 examples, you'll copy and paste them over here for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you will make them a metaphor. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that is what you're doing today. Good luck. And then when I'm switching in between partners, you'll have time to ask me questions. Thank you so much. Love you.